So all 6 tractors are on for the final here. We have Luke Brewer, Todd Brewer, Lucas Brewer, Leon Christie, Craig Bell, and Terry Bird. We're getting ready for the green flag, and they're off. That's Luke Brewer in the front, with Lucas Brewer in second. '44, that's Todd Brewer in third place. Leon Christie's sitting there in fourth. Then we have Terry Bird that just took going to fifth, and Craig Bell in the back. So again, we still got in first place. We got Luke Brewer here in the final. He's opening up some space on Lucas Brewer, and then we got Todd Brewer and Leon Christie. Oh, there we got one out, just like that. You go from third and fourth, right up now you're in second. So again, we got number 9, we got Luke Brewer, then we got Todd Brewer, then we have Leon Christie. Lucas Brewer sitting there on his back. We got the final lap. It looks like in the orange machine, number 27, it's going to be in the finals, the 16 and 20 horsepower. That's Luke Brewer. In second place, that's going to be number 44, Todd. Number third place, that's Leon Christie. Then we have Lucas Brewer.